372.9 tokens per second. The fastest output stream of all. 182 models artificial analysis tracks. Independent numbers, not Google's. And still you wait. 12.1 seconds before the first token shows up. That wait is not lag. That wait is the architecture. August 13th. Google ships Gemini 3.7 Flash. One model, ID. And bolted inside it, an entire agent stack. Function calling, structured output, a code sandbox, managed RAG, computer use. Work that used to take 4 models and a router. The launch is old news. The machine is not. Nobody has opened it up. So we will. How the loop runs. What the dial does. Where the money leaks. And the 2 seams Google could not collapse. Start with the receipt. Google's own capability table. 1 row of the API docs. Function calling. Supported. Structured output. Supported. Code execution. Supported. File search for RAG. Supported. Search grounding. Supported. Computer use. Supported. With an asterisk. Preview. 1 checkpoint. 1,048,576 tokens of context in. 65,536 out. It reads text, images, video, audio, and PDF. It writes text. Now look at what that table replaces. The 2026 production agent is a committee, a frontier model to plan, a cheap model to execute, a specialist to click buttons, a 4th model to embed your documents, and a router deciding who works every step. Routing vendors price that decision at 5 to 800 milliseconds. Per hop. 4 bills. 4 sets of logs. A seam at every handoff. Google's answer. Same model, every job. And Google eats its own cooking. Spark, its always-on consumer agent, runs on 3.7 Flash in over 160 countries. Anti-gravity, its agent platform, defaults to it too. Not the Pro model, this one. So how does 1 checkpoint do 6 jobs? Through a loop with exactly 4 kinds of steps. Google calls it the Interactions API. You send 1 request. Step 1, thought. The model reasons before it acts. Step 2, function call. It picks a tool. Step 3, function result. The evidence comes back. Step 4, model output. The answer. Everything before it repeats. Think, act, observe, again. Here's the detail nobody covers. Every thought carries a signature, an encrypted capsule of the model's reasoning state. Drop it, and the API rejects your next call. Resend it, and the reasoning survives the whole chain. That is how 1 model stays coherent. The memory travels with the loop. The tools split 2 ways. Google runs some server-side. A Python sandbox. 30 seconds, 40 libraries, no installs. Search grounding. File search across your indexed documents. But the retrieval tools are exclusive. File search, web search, URL context. Pick 1 per request. Your own functions run client-side. The model only tells you what to call. You can force a call, forbid one, or demand schema-valid JSON even after tool use. Computer use? Same checkpoint. No separate model. Screenshot in, action out. Coordinates on a 1000 by 1000 grid your client rescales. And 1 honest correction. There is no terminal in this API. Terminal bench 2.1, 85.8% on Google's own table. But the shell comes from the harness. The model brings the skill, not the terminal. Now the dial. This is where the router dies. Gemini 3.7 Flash has 3 thinking levels: low, medium, high. Same weights, 3 different economies. You pick per request. Low cuts the weight. Medium is the default. High, in Google's words, maximizes the model's ability to think and use tools. The job the router did between models, one parameter does inside it. But check what Google removed. There is no minimal. Requested, and the API returns an error. You cannot switch the thinking off. This model reasons on every call. That is a design decision, and you pay for it in full. Thinking bills as output tokens. You see a summary. You are charged for the whole thing. Google's own docs show an example. 171 tokens you see, 297 more you never do. All billed. That 12.1 second first token wait from the open, that was the dial set to high. The median for this price class is 2.79 seconds. The price itself, 75 cents in, $3.75 out, per million tokens, until December 31st. Then it doubles, 150 and 750. The expiry date is printed in the launch post. Now the cracks. Measured, not vibes. Independent testing found the hallucination rate went up. 55.6% on the old Flash, 64.5% on this one. Agent training rewards commitment. With no compiler to catch you, commitment becomes confabulation. Google's own model card admits hallucinations, instruction failures, and timeouts. The agent scores are the weakest rows on Google's own table. Terminal Bench 3.0, 14.9%, an 85% failure rate on the harness Google publishes. Computer use, 47.9% on OS World. Most tasks still fail, still labeled preview. GPT 5.6 Tera beats it on both. And on DeepSui, 69.6 to 65.3. It even regressed against itself. Chart reasoning, char archive, 88.7 versus 89.4 for its own predecessor. Developers on Hacker News quote, Flash struggles on heavy refactoring tasks. The interface hardened too. Temperature, top P, top K, removed. The old thinking budget parameter, gone. And that thought signature? Middleware that drops it gets a hard rejection. One model for the stack means one proprietary protocol for the stack. The context reads 1 million tokens. It writes 64,000. Text only. Even the knowledge is uneven. The cutoff says March 2026. The card admits some domains sit at January 2025. So, can one model replace the stack? Count the seams that survived. Seam 1, embeddings. File search quietly indexes with a separate embedding model, 15 cents per million tokens. Even Google's one model agent is 2 models. Seam 2, computer use, still preview, still under 50%, and the counter case has names. NVIDIA research argues many small specialized models are, quote, the natural choice for agents. Routing vendors claim up to 95% savings picking the cheap model per step. Here is what is real. Same chassis as 3.6 Flash, 3 weeks later, plus 16.7 points on DeepSui. That is a post-training story. Nobody changed the architecture. They changed the training. And the live arena codeboard matches Google's claimed 1588 EELO. Exactly. The verdict. The seams that die are orchestration. One bill, one context window, one log to read. The seams that survive, embeddings, preview computer use, and a price that doubles in January. Do not decide on price per token. Decide on cost per accepted task. Every number here has a source, all linked in the description. Go check my work.